How to change Facebook notification sound. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you two methods to change the Facebook notification sound. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's see the first method. Open your phone's settings. Go to Applications and Permissions. Tap on App Manager. Search and open Facebook. Then tap on Notification. Scroll down. You can change the sound for comments, tags, friend requests, etc. To change sound, tap on the feature whose sound you want to change. Then tap on volume, tap on the sound you want and tap on back. The notification sound will be changed. Now let's see the second method. Open your Facebook app. In the top right corner, tap on the menu. Then scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. And tap on Settings. In the Preference section, tap on Notifications. Scroll down till the bottom of the page. Under where you receive notification, tap on Push. Then tap on Tone. Now here you can choose which notification sound you want. Select the sound and tap on OK. So this is how you can change the Facebook notification sound.